yam has been cut and washed. This time I cut it large. You can see it's not small pieces because I'm using food processor. Yam to boil for like 30 minutes. Second stage, the yam has finished boiling, so I'm going to put it inside the processor now. This is the pounded yam after 30 seconds. One thing that I like about this machine is that it has 30 years warranty, so you can't go wrong. It's hard because if you don't add water, by the time you are ready to eat it, it will be very hard. So I'm adding a little bit of water, then I'll process for another 10 seconds. Alhamdulillah, this is the iyan, all processed and fluffy. MashaAllah.